Really? Okay, we got this. Oh, actually, Ben got this drone.
Yeah.
Right here, first drone experience. I never played with drone before. We charged it up a little bit, and this is a take off button. I'm gonna try to fly indoor. Is that a good idea?
No.
Go!
That's not a good idea.
Oh, it's flying! Oh! It's hovering! This is so cool! Oh man! It's flying!
Stop!
It's flying! Oh! Hi Jenny! Jenny, say hi! Oh, how did I stop? How did I go down? Land. Landing.
Press the button again.
Oh, press the button again.
Yeah.
Oh, so fun! This is so awesome! This is so cool, Jenny. Jenny's like hiding. Ah! Oh, dude, this is so fun. All right, let's go outside. You read the instruction. All right, we're gonna play in the backyard now. Safer. This is so cool. Woo! Whoa! You can see the lights shining. It's like UFO. Whoa!
I don't know how to.
This is up down,
Okay.
and this is
going
left
away
right.
from
Oh shit! They come back.
It's
Don't-
like going over his pants. I think
Oh,
there
it's not right.
oh, here it is.
Wait. Whoa!
How do I turn this around?
Left, right.
Like, how do I, rotate?
Can you turn left or right? That's fine. Oh, there you go. There you go. That's really cool, man. That's camera too. Whoa.
It's really confusing. Cause like it's like the opposite way.
Oh, come back.
Oh shit. Oh shit. How do I get back?
Dude,
Oh yeah, there we go.
find the neighbor's backyard. The dog is like barking. Dude, what's the battery life, man? Let me try.
I know, I hope it isn't.
Let me try it now. Oh no. But going a weird angle. Oh, here it is. This is front. No. Why do you keep flying that way?
Yeah. See that?
Go back.
I think back is actually up. Back is up. Go up, go up. Jason! Bring it back! Bring it back! You have to go up. Press up.
Let's go back. Slowly.
You're gonna hit the house, man.
No, come back. There you go. Oh man.
Okay.
Dude, when it comes, it's fine.
No, because you have to go up.
I think wind.
See-
This is wind.
Is it really?
This is wind.
It's so hard to fly.
Lower.
Yeah.
It's drifting by itself, yeah. Okay. Land.
Oh, dude. it's gonna hit. Oh, God. Oh, no.
It's land.
Why did you choose that?
I don't want to fly.